What's up my country people, how na dey? So today for this particular video I want to talk about this new GPT platform where they available. Now this GPT platform na platform wey come out for like 1 year now. I dey call am new because I discover am newly. So I've been talk about this platform before for my previous video, but today I won't come here come give una my honest opinion after I don't use them for some time, you understand. And I go also show now my withdrawal proof for this platform. So if you like GPT platforms, make you watch this particular video. If you like PTC platforms, make you watch this particular video from the beginning to the end, so that you go understand how this particular platform they work better and how you go fit use them, make you dey collect small thing for yourself. If you dey see me for the first time, my name na Solomon. Here for my channel I dey cho well I dey talk about different updates wey dey available wey fit help my country people collect small thing online just with their phone. So if you want to collect better update for my hand, make sure say like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for plenty update wey go dey come your way every single week. Before we continue, make sure you comment where you dey watch this video from for comment section. I go like know where you from. I go like be your friend, so make sure you comment where you dey watch this video for comment section. Thank you very much. If you don't do am, I really appreciate. And finally, I beg make you know say this one no be financial advice, so this one a complete disclaimer. No be financial advice be this one na just my personal experience where I don't use this platform. I dey come here come share am for educational purposes, so that if person don't use them before, or if person be dey plan to use them, the person fit see this video say okay, so now so this thing they work, if you know how to adjust himself, whether you go really use the platform or you know go use the platform. So now make me they do this particular video. So I beg, based on when you they watch this video, I beg make sure say you do small research. So now waiting they be that. Oh yeah, make we continue. So as I don't tell you now before, this one no be tutorial. This one na just my personal review. So this platform then they call them go365plus. I don't know why they give them that name. I don't do the full tutorial drop for my cirrden account. Today I won't come here to answer the most important questions where most of una get about this platform, and I go also show now my withdrawal proof. You understand? Make sure say you follow my cirrden account. That account na cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. Just go there, go follow that account, so that whenever I drop new update, then go send you notification say new update they available, so that I go there, go watch the tutorial. Because for my cirrden account, I could drop everything as in day. I did drop everything as in day. Anything, even a fly, I go drop am there. Or you join my WhatsApp community, you join my Telegram community. Make you check out for comment section. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. So the first question when people they ask, wetin wey this platform they all about? I don't they tell you now most of the time say GPT means say get paid to. Now if this one fit mean say if they do small online work like that, they collect small thing put for pocket, you understand? Now im be GPT. Another one be PTC. PTC means say paid to click. PTC now all this update where they talk say come watch ads, come click ads, come do this, and we go give you small thing. Now im be PTC. So that is the difference, you understand? So people don't they ask me say wetin this platform they all about? This platform now GPT platform, or if you call them PTC platform, we come out to you feel they do small online work for our platform, they collect small thing. So now waiting the platform they all about. So the second question why they get for people be say how go fit take use this particular update. So waiting go happen be say according to the platform, they say first of all you need to create account. So now the first thing where the platform say make you do be that to create the account. They very simple, you understand? I just normal creating account form, you go just sign up your details. It very fast. So now so you go first take start. If you want start that, so the platform they, you understand, now to create account at the first thing. Now be that after you don't create your account, so what else can you do? How you go fit access the platform? Well, after you don't create your account, another thing where this platform say make you do be say you go activate your account. Now another thing where they talk be that too. After you don't activate your account, you go fit add your social media account to the platform. After you don't add your social media account, you go fit complete their tasks, their online jobs. They collect small thing for yourself. And waiting then say the platform they all about be that now. So if you use them, so the next question why they get be say how many people fit use this platform? Now another thing be that too, because according to based on wetin I dey see, this platform only dey available for people wey dey for naija, you understand. So if you dey naija, if you use am, but I no know whether dem go expand very soon. For now, na only people wey dey Nigeria na dem fit use this particular update, you understand. So I just say make I clarify that side, because that is based on wetin me I don see. So na only people wey dey for naija fit use this platform for now. So the next question wey people dey like ask be say, this platform in dey legit? Well, I no go fit vouch for the platform, but I believe say anything wey you use, if you withdraw and you see the money, na im be say the thing dey legit. Because me, I don withdraw and I don see the money, so I go tell you say in dey legit for now. Na so I go answer you for that particular part. And if you ask me say, okay, how you go take withdraw and wetin be your minimum withdrawal? According to this platform, their minimum withdrawal na just 1,000 naira. So it means if you get 1,000 naira for your wallet, you go fit comot your money for the platform. So me, I been place my withdrawal today, and as I place my withdrawal, I received the money. I say, okay, I come here, come tell, and I say, I don't withdraw, I don't receive my money. So if you check my screen, I could drop my payment proof on my screen, make you see say I don't come on my money for this platform. And another thing I noticed, we say it no take long for me to receive the money from the platform. So once I place the withdrawal, it no been reach like 5 minutes, I received the money for the platform. So now 5 minutes wey take. So if you ask me wetin I think about this update, well, first of all, I like their navigation. Their UI, they very easy to access. Anybody fit access them, they very simple. And another thing be say, I like them because they get plenty work for the platform, and their earnings from the work, well, it no too big, but at least it's actually they better pass some other PTC and GPT platforms where they available for Nigeria. Another thing what I like about the platform be say they get affiliate program. Another thing I like about them be that way be say as they use the platform enjoy, I mean fit tell another person say see platform why they use. Wetin I know too like about them be say, for their earning structure, you need to activate account first, and now like 1,600 and plenty way. And secondly, even if you refer person, the affiliate commission will be 50-50. You understand that 33% where they go give you. And another thing I don't like be say they go charge you 15% withdrawal fee. The money where I been come on at 3,000, then send 2,550 naira, which means then charge me 450 naira as withdrawal fee. You see saying they high where you understand. So now another thing I don't like, but so far the platform will be say if you be student, if you use them, they earn small thing for yourself, they collect small thing, and if you withdraw and you receive them, I say you go chop for mama put like this, and you can't put hand for your pocket, you don't see money inside, and you can't remember say you get money for this platform. If you just stand there, place your withdrawal, and in the next 3 to 5 minutes you receive them, you carry and pay, then you go your way. Now so this platform so this one have to just collect small data money, and that 2,500 what I receive, so now to just carry buy data or buy recharge card. If you go buy bread and coke, drink first, calm down first, you understand. No forget, make you join my WhatsApp community, join my Telegram community, follow me for cirrden, because I go drop the step-by-step process why I use comot the money. I go drop out for cirrden. What do you think about this update? You don't use them, how the stuff they work for you? Just share your opinion for comment section. I go see you now for my next video.